How to send money with BOTIM. Now, it's important for you to know that for international transfers, the sender needs a UAE phone number registered with BOTIM, a valid Emirates ID, a completed identity verification, and a BOTIM payment method. First, in the BOTIM app, open International Transfer. BOTIM says international transfers can only be sent through the mobile app. Its website can show the service, but can't actually send the transfer. Step 2. Enter the amount and country. Enter the amount you want to send in AED, then select the recipient's country. BOTIM will show you the exchange rate, fees, and amount the recipient will receive before you proceed. In step 3, select or add the recipient. Choose an existing beneficiary or add a new one. And then choose how they'll receive the money. Either bank account, cash pickup, or digital wallet, and UPI in supported destinations. The available options depend on the recipient's country. Then pay and confirm. Choose a payment method linked to your BOTIM money wallet, then complete the transfer. BOTIM's current documentation says international transfers are paid from the BOTIM wallet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.